Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level along with our stock future trade that we take near the close of the market. So let me show you what a trade that we have taken. So I have already shared my rationale in my previous video for going long in TCS February future. I have also suggested the level and that level was that level did hold it, so that's the only reason we have gone long in our TCS February future. So let me just show you the profit that I have made in this particular strategy. So we have bought around 3000 no 90 3039 and sold at 3048, so made around 22 2300 rupees of profit. But for my subscriber, I checked the option chart data and tried to time the market and was successfully able to suggest them the selling point where the maximum profit could be achieved. So as you guys can see, square of message was sent on 9:39. So let me just let me just show you when at that particular time the stock was trading. So stock of TCS is what we are looking for. Let me just open the chart. We have basically gone long with the expectation of cap up opening, which we did receive. So here you can see the stock opened gap up, and that is what we are expecting, and that's where I covered my profit. But for my subscriber, I did monitor the trade and I uh, suggested to square off near, let me see the time, 9:39. So let me show you where that particular, so here you can see 22nd of February, 9:30 and 9:45. At that point in time the stock was trading at its day's highs. 3077 was the day's high, so most of my subscriber was able to sell in 3070 or 3060 kind of level, so that they were able to make good profit for themselves as well. So that was my analysis for the TCS. Now let us see what the Nifty and Bank Nifty is suggesting. Okay, so as you guys can see, in line with our expectation, the Nifty traded in a range bound fashion between 10,450 to 10,270. And as you guys can also see, the technical indicators are for the time being suggesting some sort of hold of this selling move. And you can see that the three candles, back to back three candles, has been acting as a support for the market. So the 10,344 has been acting as a good support for the market, and if this level holds, 10,450 will be tested. Now what to do in this particular market, and so for the next series I have shared with my subscriber a strategy wherein we will be doing a mix of a stock future and an option trade. So it will be basically a hedging strategy. The maximum profit is already fixed, and the maximum loss is what loss can happen at any amount. So that is why we need to monitor this particular strategy, and I will update the labels with my subscriber and also to you all as well. So let me just share you what you should do in this particular kind of scenario, and it will be very logical as well. So this is what I have been doing and I have been suggesting considering my system. So you may like to do, or you can do it with your own risk. I will not be held responsible for any of your profit or any of your loss. So guys, if you broadly observe, and this bull move began in 31st January 2017, and since then, if you see broadly, the 21 days exponential moving average has been acting as a good support. Here you can see the test once, twice, third, fourth. The fourth time, the 21 days exponential moving average at a different time period has been acting as a good sort of support for the market. But now you can see the crucial level has broken now. So if this level, which is earlier acting as a good support, gets broken, it will now act as a stiff resistance for the market to cross over. So that's the only reason we have made a stable to bearish strategy, wherein we are expecting a down move till 10,200 with a small stop loss of 10,400, which is 21 days exponential moving average. On a higher side also you can see there is another stop loss which can be seen near 10,450. Further, on a higher side you can see the stop loss is placed near 10,490. On a higher side as well you can see this 13 days exponential moving average and the three candles back to back near 10,500 level will again be acting as a support, again be acting as a resistance for the market. So it will be a very stiff journey for the Nifty to trade on a higher side, and that's the only reason we have made a combination of strategy wherein with the future and option that can give us profit in the both the side with a hedging kind of situation. So let us see. I will update the results with you guys, but what I feel is there is a small risk that we should be taking on a higher side, and the reward will be quite high and the risk reward is favorable as the market can go down drastically. And because what you can do is there is a small risk that you need to take now. Market is already at 10,382. 10,450 will be a testing point. So if the market trades and closes above that particular level, you can square off your short, and if it continues to trade below that level, the 10,200 can be seen at any time. So unfortunately, I will not be able to share my option chart analysis with you guys because today there is some problem with the NAC side as they are not able to load the data on their side. So I will not be able to share the option chart data analysis. But as soon as it gets available, I will definitely update it to my subscribers who have joined me on with my WhatsApp premium broadcast. Now the technical indicators are suggesting some sort of hold, but 10,450 is a crucial level that needs to be watch out for. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. Okay, so here is the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is already closed with slight profit today, and the reason is also quite evident. You can see that uh, here you can also see the candles, the fourth candle, four candle which is around 24,830 has been acting as a good sort of support, and now finally the buying game and the indices were able to close on a higher side, but the momentum is still on the downside. Maybe the immediate momentum maybe on the side of a pulse, but again 25 100 which is happens to be 144 days exponential moving average. The test of 144 days exponential moving average needs to be observed, and I feel that it will stall there, and eventually it will come down again it will receive support near 24,800. Again it will come, and then it will be a deciding time to see whether it will be able to break 144 days exponential moving average or not. And that's the only reason we have made a strategy in such a way that the time decay or this up and down movement will also going to help us in making money, and the eventual down movement will give us the final profit. So the on a daily time frame, the technical indicators are suggesting some sort of bounce back. What I am personally expecting is that all the bounce back will test 25,100 will be sold into, and finally the test will happen, and then it will be remains to be seen whether the 24,800 on the second test will hold or not. So pretty much the analysis is simple. On a higher side, the indices are now trading below the crucial moving averages. They will try and test the immediate resistance, but I have expectation that the resistance will hold and market will go eventually go down. Test again it will be testing its support, and in the process we will be making some money. And finally I feel the market should go down, and that's where we will be making real money with our future position. So that was pretty much it for the today's video. If you want to learn our system, you can check out the video description wherein you can find the detailed playlist that I have made. You can go there, see there all the premium content that for which I used to charge earlier is now absolutely free. You can go watch the video of how to create or how to compute the option chart, the option activity range, how to use the option activity range, how to place the exponential average on technical indicators like CCI, RSI, and many other videos. How to find out that whether the resistance will act or the support will prevail. All those videos and the strategies videos and the MACD videos, all the premium videos are now made free, absolutely free. So you can definitely go and watch it and learn the system. But don't jump your gun. Try and test it. Do some paper trading. If you get the good results, then only you can try and test with your real money. That with your own risk only. So guys, if you want to join me, you can join me with my on my WhatsApp broadcast. It will be a premium WhatsApp broadcast for the free subscribers who want to join me free. You can join me on my Telegram link. That link will be provided in the description section. It will be free, absolutely. I will update you with my videos, my reports, and my swing trades, mutual fund ideas. Everything will be provided in the Telegram channel, absolutely free. And for the subscriber who want to get my trades on a real-time basis, can join me on my WhatsApp broadcast. Now, my number is also mentioned in the description section. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you have liked the video. Please hit the like button if you have really enjoyed this video and have learned something new. Share it to your WhatsApp and Telegram group with other market enthusiasts, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I update a video on my channel. So that's it. If you have any doubt, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. Thank you.